Auntie, it's past 2 and everybody has gone home, mainly only our class.
So you want to go home and leave only me here? You want to go home and leave only me here? Can't you see the work I'm doing here?
But Auntie, you're not doing anything now.
Okay, you want to go home, Abi?
Yes.
I will ask you a question, and anybody that answer it correctly can go home. Do you all agree?
Yes.
Chibike, you have 15 oranges, and you gave 5 to Precious. How many will be remaining?
15.
How?
I am not going to give Fair Precious my oranges, so. Because if she has her own, she will not give me.
Shut up your mouth and sit down there.
Auntie, the answer is 10.
Good. Correct answer. Go and carry your bag and go home.
Auntie, thank you. God bless you.
You're welcome.
Auntie, ask another one.
Okay. What is 104 and 66?
Auntie,
Success.
CNN and Cartoon Network in our TV remote.
Look at her head. Come on, sit down there. You look like Cartoon Network.
Auntie, I.
Yes, Chibike.
104 and 66 is 170.
Good. Correct answer. Go and carry your bag and go home.
Yes.
Okay, Auntie, ask another one.
Okay. There are 5 birds on the tree. If a hunter shoots 2, how many will be remaining?
Auntie,
Oya, success.
no man will remain.
Sit down there. Olodo.
Auntie,
Yes, Precious.
if 5 birds are on a tree and a hunter shoots 2, 3 will remain.
Good. Correct answer. Precious, go and carry your bag and go home. Let all these dumb ones remain here.
But Auntie,
Yes, success.
if there are 5 birds on a tree and a hunter shoots even 1, the rest will fly away now.
Success. No. It's 3 that will be remaining. But I like the way you think. Sit down. But that doesn't mean you're not dumb, Sha.
Auntie, can I ask you a question? But if I ask you this question and you fail it, I'll go home. Oh.
What kind of question can you possibly ask me that I cannot answer?
Auntie, if I ask you this question and you fail it, I'll go home. Oh. Are you doing or not?
Success, ask your question.
Okay, there are 5 ladies and 4 of them are wearing trousers and shirts, but 1 is wearing gown. Which one is married?
The one putting on the gown, of course.
Auntie, no. It's the one that is wearing wedding ring that is married. But I like the way you think. But that doesn't mean you're not dumb, Sha. I'm going home. Oh. See you on Monday. If I don't go and marry, you think this class doesn't know that you are 25 and you are still doing boyfriend and girlfriend?